This is Scott Berglin. Thank you for watching. This is the PASS apple slicing system. Let's start with an overview of the process. Apples are loaded between pins because the core of the apple is always between the stem hole and the calyx. Notice how off-center this next apple is, yet the core will be completely removed and the slices will be surgically perfect, with no broken ends, no separated skins, and no debris. You'll see this later. This is one advantage of the PASS system. This is even more important if you're dicing apples, where each apple is rendered into 100 diced pieces, and you can't afford to sort out seeds or leaves that are still attached. Look at the quality of this slice. These are Gala apples, followed by Red Delicious, but all varieties are sliced perfectly by this technology. The rest of the process is simple and straightforward. Apples are staged in totes at the front of the line, then sliced into a reservoir of antioxidant solution for 1 minute. Then the wedges or dices are spun dry and transferred to packaging. Here's the triple sink you'll need to wash, rinse, and drain the incoming apples. The downstream packaging is up to you, of course, and you should have a cooler at the far end of the line to chill the product, especially if packaging is delayed. Now let's look at the other side of the building where we design, assemble, service, and ship our equipment. In our receiving area, machines returned for service are staged. Here's a newly assembled cart with reservoir and spin table. It'll be going to Chicago in 2 to 3 weeks. Otherwise, newly manufactured subcomponents and machine parts are identified in inventory. Here are 4 PASS machines being upgraded from Model 4 to Model 5 condition. Inventory is shelved in boxes by model number and subassembly. We carry inventory for all previous models of PASS slicing system, as well as for packaging machines and dicing equipment, and of course a cabinet of critical components, fasteners, and electronics faces the assembly bench. On the assembly bench this month we're assembling 2 PASS slicing towers. These are new machines, one set up to slice 12 wedges, one to slice 16 wedges. One of the machines will be shipped with the DB3 auto bagger to the Chicago area. The other PASS machine is shown here with a Model 33 ring cutter. The ring cutter facilitates dicing apples. Apples are cut horizontally in a series of ring cuts into the core but not through it. The spacing of the blades determines the size of the dice. Then they are sliced vertically in the standard way, producing up to 200 diced pieces per apple. This clip shows the result. Notice there's no debris. We only do one thing, but we do it better than anyone else: surgically slicing soft-cored fruit. Again, this is Scott Berglin. Thanks for visiting Apples to Go.